Smile, Dustin.
There's no wind stuff. He's getting old. He needs a muffler. He would benefit from my corner shop. I'm gonna start selling mufflers, all these idiots. I'd be like, your car's too fucking loud, buy a muffler.
That's the name of it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your car wakes up the bugs at my house. Buy a muffler.
That's the name of the store?
Mm-hmm. Your car sucks ass without a muffler. Put a muffler on.
That's a long ass
It's
name.
gonna be something like that, yeah. Something like those three.
Cutie.
You videoing me or taking pictures?
Which one do you want me to do?
I was just asking what you're doing. It ain't a video, it ain't red.
A video?
Mm-hmm. I asked Lori, I said, did your mom get a new boyfriend? He said, no. I said, well, she's with this dude. And he was like, I don't know who that is. I think that's the one they were saying lived in Germany.